Hello guys, it's me again, Fatima Adnan. Someone is asking me why I convert to be a Muslim. So now I answer your question why I convert to be a Muslim. Because before I was in Christian, and when I go to Saudi Arabia, I decide to convert to a Muslim. And after 1 year in Saudi Arabia, I decide to be a Muslim, and then I tell to my madam to convert. I convert myself to a Muslim, and then my madam helped me, and my boss go with me to the mosque and be yes, and then I go there for convert myself to be a Muslim. And that time also we plan to get married there in Saudi Arabia. Yes, not because of getting married, just myself. I convert to be a Muslim. I want to know what the Muslim, because in Muslim I know some Muslim is not same Christian. It's not about the religion, it's about the people. But Muslim is before I thinking Muslim is like so hard like that her. But when I go there, when I see the how to treat the girl, yes, especially the girl, yeah. And then when I go there, when I see, so this kind of is nice, good. That's why I decide to convert myself. And Muslim is have respect to the girl, especially the girl have respect so much. Yes, guys. So now I convert because I want, not because of any person, not because of getting married. I convert, I think, more than a month, and then yeah, yes, after 5 months, I convert myself when I 5 months in Saudi Arabia. And yeah, and then after a month and the end of the year, so I decide to we decide to get married in Saudi Arabia. Yes, guys, you're right. We get married with my husband in Saudi Arabia. Yes, and my boss, my madam is support me to get married. My boss go with me in the court for getting married. That's yeah. And yes, I not because I convert myself, not because of other people, and not because of my husband, just because of myself. Because I want being a Muslim. But my I gonna if I not wearing dupatta, so because from my childhood I'm not wearing dupatta. Yes, guys. When I go outside, and now it's so much hot like that. When I go outside, I wearing dupatta because I know I don't want some people see bad on me, because I am, why is she not wearing dupatta? She is a Muslim, like that. It's not about that. I'm here in home, inside home, so I'm not wearing dupatta. So now I hope I answer your question. And yeah, why what not because of other people, because of myself, and I want. And Christian and Muslim is different rules. Yes, I know. Slow I adjust myself because from childhood I wasn't Christian. I the rules is different. Yeah, but I slow learn to the learn the rules of Muslim. So I hope I answer your question, sir. So, Al Hafiz.